how to set alarm in your Flutter application for Android. Now unfortunately this is not possible in iOS, that's why this is only an Android video for Flutter. So let's see. So firstly I'll show you the output. So I'll just remove all this stuff so that I can mirror my device properly. Okay, so here you should be able to see my device, and here I have one button called save alarm. If I uh, like remove this application, if I go to my clock app, here you can see no alarm has been set. If I go back to my app, if I quickly run this app again, and if I click on that particular set alarm button, then you should be able to see that an alarm has been set. So as you can see over here, I have this save alarm button. If I click on it, here you can see it has set an alarm, and it also displays a toast message. Now I have hard coded the time at which I want to set the alarm. So here you can see I want to set the alarm at 7:30. Now if I go back to my alarm app, here you can see that the alarm was set. So let's see how to do this. So firstly I have created my Flutter application, and the next thing which I have done is that I have just refactored my home page widget, so it is a stateful widget. Next, you really don't need this data variable. I'll remove this. Then I have created one method channel called alarm platform. You can name it whatever you feel like, but make sure you use the same name on native Android side as well. Then here, as you can see, I've just taken a text button, and on click of it I'm just calling a method called make alarm. So same identifier you will have to use it on native Android side as well. So that's it on Flutter side. Next, I have opened the Android folder inside Android Studio. First thing, you will have to go to Android manifest, and you will have to add this set alarm permission. Next, you will also have to add this queries thing, which is a new thing in newer Android version. I'm not really sure why we need this, but it is mandatory step. So just add these two things. Next, inside main activity, so here these are all the imports, and here you can see I'm calling this configure Flutter engine. Inside that we are creating our method channel, so I'm using the same name of alarm platform. And once this make alarm method is called, I want to set alarm on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, and I want to so here we are creating one intent, and I want to set the alarm at 7 o'clock and 30 minutes, so 7:30. And this is a message, pass whatever days you want to set the alarm. Extra skip UI I have set it as true, and if it is able to resolve our package manager, if intent is able to resolve the activity of package manager, then just call our start activity, and then I'm just returning a success message. Okay, and in case if it is not implemented, I'm just saying result not implemented. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.